Namaskaram. My name is Praveena. I am the coordinator for Kaveri Callings Karnataka Outreach. It's a dream for anybody to work with such a committed set of people. Most of the team members, the Nadiviras, are in their 20s. The only thing they keep thinking about is how to make this whole Kaveri calling happen.
ಆ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ನ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ನರ್ಸರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಗಿಡ ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು.
For Kaveri Calling, I've been in Mysore for the past 2.5 months, and it's been such a wonderful experience to see how well the forest department, the farmers, and the nurseries, everybody has responded. It's been so beautiful to see.
It's heartwarming to see something like this happen in a situation where the whole world is scrambling to have a sense of normalcy.
ಈ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ತೊಂದರೆಗಳಾಯಿತು ಅಥವಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ನರ್ಸರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ನರ್ಸರಿಯಿಂದ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಸಿಗಳನ್ನ ತಂದು ಕೊಡೋದು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
If you see the conditions through which they have to work, it's torrential rain sometimes, landslides have happened and trees are falling. In spite of all this, the only concern is only related to how do we ensure that the saplings get picked up by the farmers.
We have really packed days where we answer the IVR calls, we go and visit farmers, we talk to the influential farmers as well. We also meet the RSKs, Raita Samparka Kendras, the agricultural offices, different forest department people, and we talk to all of them and spread the word about Kaveri Calling and ensure that the saplings are picked up.
3 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯಧನ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಗಿಡ ಹಾಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜಮೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ.
We have been able to extinguish a large amount of saplings just by the support which was offered from all quarters, which we never expected. The agri department, the forest department, the local NGOs, the local influential farmers.
Feels like such a privilege that I get to be a part of this. Even though I went abroad to study, I came back to India because I felt like I really wanted to do something for my country, and being a part of this project, which is so enormous, is more than words can describe.
It's been a privilege, and extreme privileged to work with a bunch of such a committed number of volunteers, the Nadiviras, and see people rise to occasion when pushed to such scenarios.